Have a blessed day.
Show Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting, Kwabena Costi. I was Ahenkan FM 93.3. Easy.
Long time, Mr. Better. Waiting, anticipating. Who's slaying by me roller? Go from and go, swap baby. Any jab, I'm a home and move. I strap a fool, pony deep. Any broad, shall be free through. Who cries a woo, baby fear. I hope I come see me soon. My swash and name, my drinking. Nina, my two, my good. Free so die. Would they buy me fear? No, Nadia, me woo, be do. We Scooby Lab Lolo.
Show Charlie Radio so I tasty. It's a meeting, Kwabena Costi.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa. Thank you. This is a clarion call. Give God praise.
I love
you. When you papa to any navias here, when you pepiana Ninyamia, although one part, your body fit yes, you were now was not the ashe. Oma would to me one in Naso, or Bawasan is also what the Pomo would dance. Can she rap your dear Shrawana? Memphis, he gave you life and he gave you wisdom, gift of knowledge and many more. Day and night, rain and sunshine, time and seasons, your day it all. Imami Misa said, yeah. Tell me what are we doing on our part? At the end, I'm a young woman.
Have a blessed day.
I'm bringing them. What for a man, young boy? Oh, yeah. Open us, your man, young boy. Yeah, no, so growing up, yeah. Abraham, your man, I said, no. Open your young man, young boy. I'm bringing them. What for a man, young boy? For the new night, above from Pim, sorry, Cotonou, and so you saw the
mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And my friend, Fisher, will phone to me in Nayada. You think when we had the Nasedaka, he was sorry, now we see Pisita. Your father, Brazilian, go to the Yako Papa, Frank Mamunka. You could die one now, I'm at the idea, and I do the Soma Basapa to cry him. And that died, the over is a mighty one, Lord of Lords. Even bed in your heart with grievance. Be faithful with God, no pretense. Grateful for the blood of Jesus. She ran over Bamroso. And you young man, young Abba, you deserve it. praises. There is no other. You are so amazing. When we look at all your
Mid-morning
patience,
show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
yeah, rap so full.
GhanaSongs.org.
This is a clarion call.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Na 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 na. When you papa to any na we asie, when you pepiana na nyame aye. Odo wampa fia body fit asie. Ye wo ye nyina wo sa no de ahye. Mama wo to me woni ma nyina so. Oba wo sa ni sa so wadi bomu wo dance.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
He gave you life and he gave you wisdom.
Gift of knowledge and
Day and night, day and night, rain or shine. Dear Banaya, tell me what are we doing? Dear Banaya, Manamia Wusa was so yabo. Mo friend, you Yamana coupon. Mo friend, you Yamana coupon. Oh, yeah. Mon frère, Dieu m'a coupon. C'est la source de Namie. Abraham, mon ami, non. Asido. Mon frère, Dieu m'a coupon. C'est la source de Namie. Oh, oh. Abraham, mon ami, non. Right, so music from Michael Elliott Kobina Ocho.com, aka Bravo, the executioner, the legendary Monfamano. Beautiful music. You're 93.3 FM. I love this music. Bring it back, bring the song back, bring the song back, bring the song back. Right, so 29 minutes past the hour then. And we tune into the best mid-morning on a Hinkan 93.3 FM. That's right. My name is Jenny Champon Boateng Cosmos. Call me Jabruz Money. And I love it when they call me a Bronte for the perfect gentleman. He gave you life and he gave you wisdom. Rain and sun, real sunshine. Dear Bebone, tell me what are we doing? Dear Bena, my name is so yabo. Mon friend, your Yamana coupon. Woman, hey, 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 mon friend, your Yamana coupon. Say what's so in Namie, Abraham, when I'm in Asido. I don't pay that beautiful Wednesday morning and tune in to the best. Yes, the best mid-morning. This is actually the show whereby you get to listen to all the good music in town. Ways to do more. I mean more and more. And I don't do this alone. Big thank you to my team of production led by DJ Shabo, Akosia at the part ones, Mr. Charles, Nana to point here the first, Ella Benson and Alfie Rabina Questa. So we are from now to 12 p.m. and we're ready to serve you the best of radio experience. So tell a friend that your host with the most is on your radio. Tell the 1 minute past the hour 10, I'll bring you motivational message in the jiffy. But in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gatete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poeteme, I was there fra Laone. If you speak Grushi Quete, Inzama Cordia. If you do speak Fanti, Ana Air Fantinia, me patch on one today.
When in a heavy Pepiana Ninyamia. Although I'm back for your body fit, yes, yeah. You were was not the ashes. Oh, my, what to me when you're many naso, or I was sending us what the boom. Oh, can't you be our dear Shrawana? Memphis,
for Mobia,
he gave you wisdom, gift of knowledge and many. Oh, day and night, rain and sunshine, time and seasons, your day.
See, my name is Sao. Hey, tell me what are you doing? You're quiet. Hey, sing along. Hey, 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 hey. Ow, say I'm so in Abraham when I'm in no. I said, and me danya ko ponsi because he has been good to me. You fat, I dare be a me saka no pay. That's not me born way. Your fast that man yanko pon so yeah. Charlie sometimes song. Yanko pon shada anya hwema across that I say. Yeah, the man be guy raw. This man he be guy wa. Yanko pon ya guy brutal. Hey. Okaya no waye. Okaya no waye. Right, so every great journey comes with difficult times. I just saw what difficult times you want. My patch of challenge was say, oh, now, Quan Papa be so. What's your say? I said, oh, now, Quan Papa be so. Hey, see, baby, I want now of this Honomaya Bonka Boncano. What your cost of a Bonka Boncanuma? Now, maybe I'm out. Now, if you are born new way.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
This is a clarion call.
Me pachawa would tell me some maybe I'm jail. So all my taxi drivers, the church I'm going to say. Me this year, we have taxi driver me ton can't papa. Raouf, bright easy. Hey easy. Kale mami ton kan. I'm a man stagger. Stagger back up, stagger one. Stagger I want to say. I told my taxi drivers in town. Church I'm going a man like a Pasco. Good morning.
Rain and sunshine, time and seasons, your day in it all. Mami, me say
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
On our part, I can't put na yeah. I'm a young man who say was some yabo. Don't plan your young man, young woman. I'm bringing them. What for a man, young woman?
Me patcha na question of the day no. Tiena fa answer for 0594841044. What's my voice note there ba? Me patcha ejamuwa ba your friend is saying. Ejamuwa ba. What a female cat called. Ejamuwa ba your friend is saying. One say bibi a we asi bia nyankopon bon oba ne be ma. Aha. Send a bear mamma for a male. And a man, sorry, a man female. Aha, a banner more so be our Nidini Adia. But patrol a jamoa, a jamoa or your bar. Your friend is saying, and Annie didn't say a jamoa or the oba, eh? A jamoa your bar. A jamoa your bar, okay, intinu. I'm can't a jamoa bar. That's what is that? A jamoa or your bar. The patrol, your friend is saying. Send it for 50594841044. And I say the voice note. And now to find him dressing, I saw come into. I quit one me fan of I don't go to baby Diana. Come into. Oh wow, why you sweet for? I saw go to baby.
When we look at all your creation, we can make a proclamation. You
The patron send you message Papa 0594841044. Go bet my voice note. Ejamwa ba. Ejamwa ana I'm saying can ejamwa ana ejam.
Yeah.
Cat meow. Meow. What's it?
This is the clarion.
Faham ramen to that.
God praise.
Ejamwa ba. Meow. Obano, your friend say.
When you papa to when in a reviasie, when you pepiana ninya miaye, odo wampa, your body fit here, you were ye was not the ashe. Oma would to me one yeman naso, or was sending us what the pomo would dance. Can she rap your
okay, it's at a pine say a canoe. A jamwa or your oba, and your jamwa ba. It's a jamwa or your oba. Meow, meow ba. Wa be kan kusinu, wa be kase meow e kusinu. Adia ya be ya wo fi ha. Ompe. Me pa choja mo ba your friend say send 50594841044. Obet my voice note so that for WhatsApp. You be born obi ate. Utie wu obi be hu say utie wu. O the voice note ba ya fa odin ka ho. E ba your friend me gift make us free achimoda. Ejamwa ba edi ni kusi. Meow. My who says I gift utie wu ba. They said voice note for bra. Your boy na obi ate. My bro motivation services is here.
Abraham penny for the new night above from pim sorry kotono ayene wan and so ya so din yin lechi oboy who buy na humo brought him hoda oye tete botan and my rem fi say we phone to me na yeda Davida ya think when we yet na sedaka ti wo sorry anopa na wo si pisita ya fa ho brase ni koto dwene ya no papa franku mamunka ya kodai wonu na wa madiati anaju de so mabasa pa do kura yemu and that daddy over is a mighty one lord of lords. Defense, bed in your heart with grievance. Be faithful with God, no pretense. Grateful for the blood of Jesus.
Right, so music from a bravo. Michael Elliott Kobina or share that home. In fact, Kobina Frankasa, you know, too. Kobina Frankasa, your voice upon. Anyway, on. Obi challenging my WhatsApp is here. My main motivation message anyway. But Sabo no mono, no ma 20G. Don't say come now for your voice, man. Ah, run for what the voice. I try my motivational message here. My motivational message now for me Sambra Bio na me chomo. Me vocal ability. Me mamu chomo. Adiachi. What da you nanka? That you don't call our voice to seven. That you don't call Tony to seven. Trauma. Trauma. Right, so learn what to say at the right time because one word can flip the mood instantly. Learn what to say at the right time because one word can flip the mood instantly. I don't be say instantly. And conform me will grow more mukasa papa. I say where they me pointing my fear for ya or be more fear. Teaching me how to pay. Only how to pay didn't come over fast. Same year before no ascend come on. My patron say we know boys is here. Oh no, girls is here. Oh no, colleagues, so now we force you din come on. The patron learn what to say at the right time. And ya kasa bia na was say peer through an or maybe and I say at a particular time. And they say wouldn't come forward din come on. So ya kasa free onuma and say kasa free onuma no the patron. Dwehu yi ansa na free onuma ba. After baby I want environment to crown I want so no. When you say na kasa bia na di wra ho. E ba na no boys want fibia mudi. No girls want fibia mudi. About your moment, I will do office, you know, and I will do baby. I was a honor corporate environment, you know. Kasabi will honor my friend Raho. Obi anu Kasabi or cow baby, you know. Obuo and Kanipa woman on a swati. But what they wouldn't send Kaudi Diagro, and I'll be so can't send just for fun. But because baby, I can't someone on no play area until I feel respect and conform on a swatting. I don't pay me patro me learn what to say at the right time. And ya sembia and you can free ano. And ya sembia so na father say one in our nank Canada. Who baby I want the environment now. The circumstance around you, no. And sana, assemble through another through another. So about 9 or 10 years ago, assemble me feeder. SS time upon Hannah. Now boys, you know, and they were Casabia Yakan. I mean, make one make Casa Dibia. I never seen a car radio since me in Kabati. Ebaya me kasa e kamanwa jama kwan ba fie me ne me ma mi din koma na ma kan kire no Jesus e kenya me kwa sala nka so trobi abeje mala me se debi saka sa fi na komen kan bi before me ko school grab me kasa di bi kasa bi wo hono ma sa wan sha wo so abeka kire wo ma me one shall once I catch our ferry for one shall once I catch a new pebia. Any coin per se cow cast us on the children. Let's be patron. Learn what to say at the right time. Say, boys, West Casanaba, making sure say you are around your boys or you are in the midst of your boys. Or the old can, when him say, Sana, I would say. When you say, Uncle Phoebe, one man, one here, they are very gentle. But among their peers, Charlie, Omun Kanya Sagra, Sana Brabona was said here. Maybe say, whom will chroma me a very shy type of her. Charlie, say me be very comfortable around me. Sorry, around you. What be who say? Sabo Subani Kakrabo me home. Bobby Hokakraba. But say no one can say that gentle no I say fairy. But naturally me obi am fairy there. Like naturally me fairy there. It is me be o sa na say un shada am by me sa obi hu say that here but mamenka obi me a obi hu say fairy no e wo ho but e bo me ho kakra. 45 minutes past the hour, 32 to 93.3 FM. Learn what to say at the right time, because one word can flip the mood instantly. The fabric of an acoustic, a brand to the perfect gentleman. Sabo, some me or Bradford, when I'm in 2 years. I'm check, girl, they say, I know I'm quite a tongue. You can't know to her. Yana, me, they made any diagro. I'm coming, me voice upon Kahani emoji. Me see me turn on one in Luigi McLean. Me see me turn on one in Joe Metal. But that's how me cry the young canazel. Me see me turn on one Joe forget it. 0594841044. Ejamwa ayo oba. Ejamwa ayo oba. Cats. Oba no. Your friend is saying. Send a bra 0594841044. Shabo, you ready for me? Alright, here call a bra for Alfie. Men check Peggy say ban no ma. Me no ma me 12 ma. pa Shabo bono ho pa. O pesa wa tanfu nyame. Ese bono na so me to me for instrument anto dey. Bono no masa. Na me to the eche, the instrument. Okay, are you ready? You go.
Give God praise.
Na.
When he papa to any na we asie, when he pepiana ne nyame aye. Odo wampa, we are body fit asie. Ye wo ye nyina won not de ahye. Oma wo to me won ye nyina so, oba wo se ni saso wa di bomu wo danso. Can she be
He gave you life, he gave you wisdom.
Gift of knowledge and many more. Day and night,
rain or sunshine,
time and seasons your daily talk.
Yeah. Tell me what are you doing? Yeah. Amana me we say was so me abo. Mo fe nyama nyankopo. Oh yeah. So nyame Abraham nyame no.
Ye no so nyame Abraham nyame no.
Mon fe nyame nyankopon. Mon fe nyame nyankopon. Nyankopon. Ye no so nyame Abraham nyame no. Asido penny for do no na abofo pempem sorry koto no aye ne wan enso ya so di nyina chi oboye ho ban na huma brought hoda oye tete botan e ma wu rem fi se wu phone to me nyina yeda Davida yetin kwamu yede na sedaka ti wo sorry am no
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Kakuma munka yekodai wonu na wa madiatie anajude so mabasapa do kraye mu. Jehovah is a mighty one, Lord of weeping. Embedding your heart with grievance. The faithful with God, no pretense. Grateful for the blood of Jesus. Shira no beba mroso. Abba, you deserve the praises. There is no other. You are so
yeah. Mon fan yo nya. Atame. So I did not tell me. Debbie, Mami, Kako Bonde. Oh, Mam Kako Bonde, new way. Missy Mache. Kako Bonde, Missy Mache. Nayanko.
Yeah, that's so full. This is the clip. Me bo. Amani TV judo, me go, Onya fufu anko bedie, nasu wedro na kodi bo, mitiwe, minya mochi anka meko, nasu grata samasi mikwan, mikoni kodi sapai, ena didie, me fola ya chevi sai, oh ne, fatu Whatever come of it, Abua woni diana na me na prano home, me ma wa be mumbo na me prepare me home. Sami ya me tie bia no manage me home. O wa twedi anso ba konfo. Me ka mi bo. Amani TV. Big ups to my man Kobe Praise. Kobe Praise say me menya bibie dia no pay. But menya Kobe Praise in the picture be akwano fufuo bi ano pay wodi no. Kobe Praise kwa wetimi bo fufuo be 16 CDs no aton nam 3 CDs. What top pure water 1 CD. Na banu 20 Ghana. Akwani didi brutal. What's so my baby? Kobe aba eno de ajayo. If you have me me sa me tonom me sa rape. You friend me Ratosa.
me rappe me tono me sasa ratosa if you are obientu I kind of high school good competition if I join me at my Saturday and never so across the senior high school at Chairman Senior High School, Advanced Senior High School, at Tefa Senior High School, Vision Vocational and Technical Training Institute, and now for Salvation Army Senior High School, at Chance Senior High School, Vision, Youth in Leadership and Skills Training. And that's what this coming Saturday. Oh, watch him about their backgrounds. And this is just on the idea. Rap to Sujin. Nana KJC Company Limited. About your quality building materials. Let me say iron rails, your all five. Types assault when you be on Nana KJC Company Limited. Ton cement and so for any construction work be ano. About your brand Nana KJC Company Limited. No another one. You want 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 7 inches. You want the boy yes who 7 crowd. Nana KJC Company Limited. You want Achim Sani. Achim Sani opposite Achim State University College. And I'll be here. About your friend was 0243 304 101 0243 304 101. Nana KJC Company Limited. Not sort to ads one time. When you Jamaica almost support it and I say almost sponsor and kind SHS cooking competition. You wanna support it. Oko Achim Asani Hona so. Life is special and self. Chop bar. But people Sunday no. Wise up and not send up. Father Dixon the echo. Father, your guys style here. See as a mammy chop bar your friend. Your friend Berman Quine. See as a mammy chop bar. Fufu and Kuamuto. Coconte. Dear baby, I'll be able to. Yes, and Quan is the papa, you want cats and quine, you are Ben quine, you are lice, you are punching quine, a papon quine. And I want the way they both from quine. So amani Bofron Quine. What you now? You maybe Sana said, "Dear, any Bofron Quine was a Unim Bofro. Bofro, a Uku Aboa, a Ponchiana, a year. What's it? Akrantia. Now, Mr. Danny Bofro. What's also repeating BM say? Akrantia Bofro. I call a problem. Then the Bofro Quine was to work Akrantia and the Bofro in the Bofro Quine. No problem. I son in our who tears my choba. But all year you're from now per se. The boy now you're Gianni Nadia. I bet me a friend was 0549 879 517 2076 142. 0542 076 192. I'm Truck Zibas TV. And so I say, Obapa tomato paste, so I say, African Queen Macro, so I say, DAP Motos, so I say, on the Quafo Building and Construction Limited, so more Helba Center, Big Joe Phones, see as a Mami Choba Macan already, Smart Smith Legacy Engineering, Nana KJC Macan already, Cup Farm Enterprise, and our friends of Big, Bis Asamoah Enterprise. I beg your pardon, Bis Amoah Enterprise.
Wise up and not send up and no game. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from our mistakes, we not do it again.
I don't have any no. I say your prayer and your hard works will never be in vain. Kakra ye be dieting and party if you free. Hey.
Wise up and no send no pen, no game. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from our mistakes, we not do it again.
Nakaye bedi eti na nipa ti bi fre. E ma wa be bu
From our mistakes, we not do it again. Nakaye bedi eti na nipa ti bi fre. Again, we learn from our mistakes, we not do it again. Nakaye bedi eti na nipa ti bi fre. E mo ba mu mu na kase wudi ewunye ye. Adi dem fichire.
Minimum no ba mini ni shada. One day or 7 in I was 17 inviting about her because my bonnet na. And you also type of man. Yeah, my papa. I was me inviting one of these days. Me share that. But me name is on here. Opa Sasia Tom and Tim Hanama church no babo man soon be anywhere. I know a friend 0553 044069. 0553 044069. Sasia man soon problem be anywhere. I be pa job. Babu Kroma na obenye become a pa. Freaky Funky Friday. My man DJ Thursday. And that Thursday say come na Charlie rappers no my ready mama na. Who the problem crowd. The make ready give you my boss. Yes, Yakuba Yadman this Friday. Friday we are between the hours of 9 to 11. My man all the way from Peace FM, the powerhouse. DJ Thursday. Robert Snazzy. What be fire? Charlie this Friday there. Okay, so Friday we there ebe oja what I say because fire na there. Special Friday, you know. Yeah, the shaman they are trained Saturday, no. Till Friday when I have me bad drumming confused. Yeah. Because you have a point level. Your point level so I was say oh TV Synchronia. What a Thursday I call ECOWAS meeting now. Wow. We were last week. It was here Synchronia na there because Thursday get man for the who this are. Yeah. Man for the who this are Grover. Mean ECOWAS meeting man now me proper check can be for my so proper check proper. It's me Friday me coffee. Me bed man den tadia me ansa be bed man. Me ponya na me kodwale opoku bu fio. Na ma sesa me ho. Na ma sa ba nwumre. E de toxic pon na ma sa kodwale bi na afia ko Synchronia finally. Me coffee. Atopa be coffee. Yeah. Atopa coffee kwa yale. Toze ke ba Friday uzu coffee. Ye coffee da. Amo wie ko asmiti to ye da ye coffee. Let me dream my idea. Mama ko ton ade amra sia. I be shout to my man Kobe Praise. Now Kobe Praise or a rapper now a singer now there. Shit. Oh, same ground, no same bo. Oh, baba battle.
Nancio, and me know. Kayo, Namantio, and me know. Mashe.
Ebuja, we try one ba. Shabu, one butt down.
Eja mi nta adwumo
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we de anya mani son na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made video kafukafu abomachi a mo betebete mkoko yisui ene na so biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko yisu agu nanso da bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no onedi abebesere nokre wo mni se enura wodo e wodwa so no nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na afanyonko entizesi a omokɔ nakranda entize wugu pɛ enye omohwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
je wo kan ye nokre sanse entisa enka emma ne seida
akateken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro dini ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum
akateken wa mama koma tomiyem
okuani bi a opese obo no koko ho ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi bi nto akateken eye koko nurumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na dia badwa so babia yeto okua ye hunro bia wobenya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homan 97074 ana 0243 639920 akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem everyone man dey
Ohima mianka mbojuma e wompem na asema yeme wompem pa o.
Menua kawa kuma to yem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina. Wono mo esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre e wompem bema wontomenwo. Wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka. Wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete e de amawo.
Se sei krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me de se zongola chichi e na achi mi o.
Dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo webubu eguko anase woni pedua nyina ayemre. Udani weni e de kire amaje herbal clinic a wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom e de ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru. Ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu. Fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa.
Anobites ye duro bi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina agyan
maduro no aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti sei me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti maduro no de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mensa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na misisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de sei me tin bo adwuma yi
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sesia na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika kotobi menom ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de do pa ase misisi ye ya to ya nso menom ye ni nyina akọ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do papa ebe boana ma ne yare bi o no ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enure yu kotobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato ewo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Puno Atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fa next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses ninyina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewa station bia wope. Ube wieno na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye juma. Ewa Ghana eni amano ninyina. Ya wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enuntino Sauba, Ushia experienced presenters are free media houses are hoodwoom ewa o my Ghana munina. And some trajumana from Bia Opayano. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs Nibia, Fraying ewa 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row. At to 0246 208496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia e hrampa.
Ha, Eye pint 20 and I'm if you are Shamsano.
And no see a soprana.
Eye J.A. Pining and Call Limited. And one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you know, Quampuna home, me do so talk one. And your money say, baby.
Hey, near me to set down the
Pines on and I'm saying, what then your man yet to say wine. And your parents when one I mean this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Now, dear Badena, I will rap to be easy.
Ayakasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wine no
Nancy our one in Empire who our will be our fear happy
medita wo eye JA Biny snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
hey anu mo won near my papa
Biny quiz soap na se wo didi wi amede ma wa horo won say uhu ana ai anu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ane we die me dia dance a chira mansan eh fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo mo nioma no wo benya bia to wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomato a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyina no no so from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na so mo din ni body say
eye JA Biny and Call Limited
me drew ho sesia
a Jamo building contractor for dear a yana many brimu o if say a bus cement iron rods any blocks I see a dynamo mother say Jamo Freya near the factory straight near the Abraham
factory then I want to Quasi distribution agency in Kaon
hey who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo sa Quasi distribution agency for idio
Achibo Dan and bottom hadi will be a will see dan and now wire construction beer ecofan cement and iron rods every Quasi distribution agency
and any factory one I know the Bramo
a factory the contract ahura menyenye nyina Quasi distribution agency and no supply cement iron rods blocks size bia and adwa binding wires pavement blocks and ya dance hu nyemen kaye nyina
enti tese wo mo na ya na digu wo mo track mo de breway
Achimo Dani Eastern region and kaye hadie wo bia ko fa cement iron rods free Quasi distribution agency Achimo Dani
Saibo di ni mami bio
Quasi distribution agency Achimo Dani
Messi a fiti nekro e den bia mesie no Achim Dani Eastern region ham potamu aka ne de eye Quasi distribution agency ehwa na meko mate se wo mo opposite timber market omo ben MTN and na telephone numbers enso a eye 0202 722 695 and 0266 422 351 Quasi distribution agency yanya yesi dan no ye ne wa na ekro
Now what to say? Adama West African for asa Kenya wo hu bio. E de Trevor, Edra, Ekuma ate, akate, koko ntontom. Ene mo ahodo a edi koko nya, na se koko abre kuafo.
Me nua jai adanse a koko akuafo di for Trevor ho nya agro. Kuafo nyina e bo se kire se. Trevor kum wa mo ane sa. E ma koko no ho tono na asan asodoso. Enti amma koko akuafo botom ayede.
Na nika sam ne se, ye mfa Trevor bebre. Kakra bi, wo de atwa 10 miles. Nefa go moto bro no mu na fele nefa bo koko no bosome bia
Trevor kum koko muamu no se kum nkosua nyina na eye adwuma basahare so se so bo Trevor woni haw ewo koko mu kra
guys say koko board for ahwehwem age atum se Trevor eye do papa ye de kum koko muamu nyina so obi pe bi ato a onko agrochemical shop bia e ben no nchen na so pe no dodo atu aton so a onfre Adama West African for e was 0544 343532 and 0544 348821 and 0544 325030.
Ho ho ho! Ebreno Awiedu, Ahenkai 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Cooking competition, Yashisha Ediama Senior High School, no Nyamia Duma, Busumi ni de Tosu Ediasa, Anopanundu, Kay, Basua, Achem Abu Deba Grants. Say, Ampaya Ebeja, and Penfua Chuchu, Royam Potamha, a free chichini bench, and Ababua, Medmede Aya Krabehe, Ononyam for Alexander Kwasi Aqua, MP, Achem Oda, Ononyam for Victoria, Edu, MC, Brim Central Municipal Assembly, Ononyam for Alex Inkum, DC, AMA, Ononyam for Asare Danso, DC, Brim South, Ononyam for Paul Asamoah, DC, Achimansa, Ononyanfo Richmond Kofi Amponsa, DC Achiase. Now the Honorable Deputy Minister for Education, Ononyanfo Gift to Chum Ampofo, and the special guest of Anna, Ajumadi, Onenonyam Ebabe Boye Chidom, Nananaman Tankonyan so say, you have video piano, any piano, into Ahinkai 93.3 FM, cooking competition for senior high schools, Osbrem Pouncing Tim Poko Tosumiansa, Achimman Suhini, na Osaya Benkumhima Kotoku traditional area, Akratigum, Sansuna, Nana Kwabena Ofori Otosumionu, Achim Akrosuhini, and Suba Betinagum, Naunim, Etuotua, Esibamabu, Anuti, Achim Abu Abu Kontehini, Nana Adumako Ankuma, any Achim Abu Abu Hima, Nana Ousua Akoto Tosun 9, and Sudi Wanu Nyamba Betaj Medeyachi. Sukua Hudwa, Ebesia Kainama Kremwaya Dena Nika, Alma competition Aya 12. Youth in Leadership and Skills Training, Takrasi, Odan Senior High School, Achimuda, Atramai Senior High School, Achimmanso, Atefa Senior High School, Achimuda, Akwasu Senior High School, Achim Akwasu, Vision Vocational Institute, Achim Abuabo, Salvation Army Senior High School, Achim Wenchi, Achiasi Senior High School, Achim Achiasi. Oh, why never do Kunimo, Eyofufu, Upper Pransa, Banku, and more any day. 93.3 FM, Marching News Editor, Afia, Ampofwa, Ahinkai 93.3 FM, Mr. Gentleman, Kwabina Kosti, Ajumaye, and your unpredictable. Achinkwana na minumbremu, Wadi, Ahinkai, Kwame, Yabua, me say, Ahinkai 93.3 FM. We are the best in the East. Bajawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumo.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
We didn't come here to play. King Kong. Oh yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
You looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, your body's so amazing. And I don't wanna leave your side.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I this. It's a meeting Kwabena Kosti. That was Ahinkai FM 93.3.
Put the dollar on you, girl. You put your body on me. I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. I'm gonna make you see that. Make you see that my class today outside. I go show you money. Oh girl, you looking so amazing. My, oh my, oh my.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I this. It's a meeting Kwabena Kosti. That was Ahinkai FM 93.3.
Sing for you like Doremi. Give you loving Bokobi. Oh baby, never find yo. Wakuma suadio. I don't wanna me for me the empty all day. Never find yo. Whatever feeling past yo. Yeah, all day I no go play with your love. Oh darling, you give me joy. Nobody did like you, my love. You give me joy. I go kill you with enjoyment. Yeah. I go kill you with enjoyment. Yeah. Slay nation.
Bumi di mami.
Stay.
Send you where that now you know. Send you where that now you know. Send you where that now you know. Strong ya me sao. Na watching make a cry. Me know ya better away. So what you can cross slow motion. body lotion. I didn't get any more, no pushing. Say we take a cross slow motion, yeah, slow motion. You make a check, body lotion. I didn't get any more, no pushing. I want to see you dance. I want to see you. Me better and chill it, yeah, release the stress. Happy yourself, enjoy your life. Happy and feel yourself. Send a party, I cheat the M&A. I want to see you dance.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I'm tasty. It's a meeting up in a post. Now we're on Hang FM 93.3.
Overload, see overload, your body overload, you give me overdose, slay mama overload, see overload, your body overload, you give me overdose. Other foul too bad you go, I swear on my father can't do. But they can't no be my, ask up it might not be problem. Overload, see overload, your body overload, play mama overload, see overload, your body overload, you give me overload.
Wow, you're fly, you can wait, yeah. And little bit there, you can book it. What's your name? Only Joy. Okay.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Body, all for you, everybody, I got the juice, but you know I ride for you, cause my love is all for you. See this body, all for you, everybody, I got the juice, but you know I ride for you, cause my love is, I'm gonna dance for you, my baby, shake for you, my baby, wine for you, my baby, near you all the time, dance for you, my baby, shake for you, my baby.
Don't be shy, don't be shy.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
It's me.
Well, and I'm Mona for real. Has really proven to us that she's ready for the game. She's really ready for the game. Seba, Seba, Baba. Seba, Baba. Seba, 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 Seba. Oh. So Mona Eba out, no. I think I was one of the people who were, rooting her out of the game. I was one. My comment myself. Right, so it was Mona and do you move in the graphic say? Emilia Brobe. Omumi enu na me rating Yankopon. As you see my Jimona do. Emilia Brobe dey patch up, I can't change song come brabio. Say what? Alanya bro, 7 songs with 7 solid videos. What? Denia bro pa. Say Say what? Right, so midweek edition of Juba Juma right here on 93.3 of If today happens to be your birthday, happy birthday, go at you. Send your messages through 0594-841-044. I'll be more than glad to read them live on radio for you. And your birthday, so happy birthday. You should have sent birthday with Samantha Logan. Samantha Logan is an American actress who was a regular on the series 666 Park Avenue from 2012 to 2013. So she also played the role of Taylor Boys in the soap opera General Hospital in 2013. In 2018, she began starring on the CWS All American, and she had one of the her first roles in the television series Gossip Girls in 2019. Right, so Samantha Logan was born on 27th October 1996. She's 25 years today. Sunday also birthday, happy birthday to you. Share the same birthday with superstar Samantha Logan. Papa, say what? Boako Herbal Clinic. Boako Herbal Clinic. We are experts in treating both acute and chronic disease. I mean, stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcer, what was it? What do I do now? Ulcer, and after your gastric ulcer. Yes, so about one time, near Mount Drew, they two I said about stomach ulcer away. Over can't say what? Baby alpha. Typhoid fever, malaria, diabetes, sexual weakness, infertility, skin rashes. Amudru Boakwa soya. No more you fool. Mopper baby alpha. Boakwa Herbal Misha. Yeah, Boakwa you Misha. Boakwa Herbal Clinic, sorry. Yeah, Boakwa you Misha. Yeah, Sansuya Boakwa team Misha. And yes, I am Mespin Herbal team. Now, Mespin Herbal team in there. Diabetes 4D one dance ye papa. There was a boy. The patron diabetes. A shitty yare. Mousa and can miss pain the Herbal teeny. Na bubo be a boy. Now with sugar level no so. At that form bako. We give you the best experience from a medical practitioner. I am a friend of Dr. Ofori. Dr. Ofori, why a Juman over 2 decades? Wabene pa, Bana Jumaria, Jojai, Wabene Bruta, Wako Herbal Clinic, watch him other Bangalo, Hojo Johnson, Jabwati Fio, or Honeyabo. Yes, bra. I am wow. Yen 2 arenas and some fama. Me patros, I woke up Waka. I was so say immune system no so one thing. Immune system they be a cancer sound who didn't man. Natural say, more quiet no one China. Immune system no there. We see immune system. Yeah, and who didn't know the I don't want to know. If surrounded by us one yare, one complaining and one say, whoa, money immune system, then you are in there. Me patch boost immune system no. For immune booster papa. I am friend Imbu Selba Mesha. Imbu Selba Mesha. We are born in some running police in Yedro. Track store we are being able to patch a course here. I go pebito. That boost the immune system no. What is it? Hey, Frewa 0246 208 496. That's 0540710113. Say what? Papa. Na Indra Shatawale the medical. Omuko eye empoano believe say colleague on ho de ne dia. Amako krobi te ho de ne dia. Omuko dware ana omuko hohoro mo ho prison ni na. Amako hohoro ne kama ba. Na sisia asofo bebre na prophecy academy. Member asofo bidin. But that prophecy is bebre na academy. The kai last year pa ye. Na me sure asofo bi na me buo fu say. Sabo hwe. O see a prophecy time. Na wakofa book kese bia ba. Na wo biem prophecy number 1. Na waka prophecy number 2. Na waka prophecy number 3. So for the can prophecies is prophecy number 103. I'm so for see a chinable body pa. Prophecy na wa chrogu buku mu. Na sa na ko point na there. Because the prophecy no asofo ni ye adwuma na nyankopon ho konkron no we dia wa chro wo fie no de aba o wa chro wo fie egu buku mu prophecy number 103 asofo we pa this is Adam Pare hey Dampi IGP Dampi oye guy bruta oye oba Damparize usisi ya o se wo shan kom na uni proof a yeah, and you'll be the Kumanji. And you'll be the Kumanji. Boss, ya quite did it to Gongo. Or say Mumbo Mammy Gungun. Colors to those and niggas I embroidery. For all your wedding photographies, birthday photographies. I'm about to say, brother, sort as one time. So, we are your throw upon whole engagement. In fact, we know again a cramu jai. Open some traffic at the tour. Now, because on a day like this, 27th October, and La Benson in a guy in jai. I wish you know, see, come now, Boakra. I mean, what's 7 promise ring and see a jai. Oh, my promise ring. I thought before you were wearing a ringo. Paro. Oh, Maubi. Oh, okay. Watch out. But colors does a negative embroidery. I just sort out one time. Over so young Tadia. Or Simbra. Over so G training. On this was Simbra. Watch him on Liberty Transport opposite Knop Pharmacy. Where was 0245 276638. 0245 276638. Now, Sir Johnny, CEO and manager of Sir John Music Records. Our artist, me and artist in the over 2000, but me and Penna, I send anyone home. Mighty Man GH and I show money. Right, so Mighty Man will release the EP very soon. Now, once I me the mailman to the mailman. It's me nyane nyomo no emu mienu. Now trust me. And you want to boss me drop it back on Friday. Said don't pay on poor, me drop it back. And you want to nyam by me drop it back. Say on pay. I go drop one. I'm a day herbal clinic. I watch him on Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station. What's your bra? The quantum detector, for your sire massage, papa, physiotherapy, papa. Ya rekete giti se gonone menstrual problem ni syphilis there. Oba hon macha na 3 days if no to asiama. Why azie? Abaje aba clinic watch mo na. O se se o ya ready my den na untumi mba. Trying. The doctor phone have necessary for me ho. Friend was 0244 877840 0244 877840 now 0205 045 665 0205 045 665. Say what? Hey Shabo, DJ Shabo Watsi, DJ Shabo Watsi. Someone back down here na bi ma, Diana. Oh, say baba. You come here. Say baba. DJ Boatse. Hey, say baba. So on Friday, I'll be hosting a call Marvel on a Juma. Yadi Kenya Kopon Ayadoma. Memenda. If you had with the jai. Alright, now me can't damn parry yourself. And now for into fake prophecies. What kind of way evidence be an answer proof be a that damn paraizo. Now me be ready be from one prophet Sugro Prosper. I want the Facebook page. Where you let it. Our dear ma damn parry. Now listen, prophets. Okay, I prof. The Facebook name I prof Sogro Prosper. I send my letter to the IGP. Good evening, say. Mami even in free. Mami can yet. Baby, I don't know. I am critical. To be so critical. Me patrol. IGP. Dampi. Wait there. Obi na try na American. Me patrol. Me no musem. Me kind on the Facebook page. What say? My letter to the IGP. Dear sir, good evening. Please, with all due respect, I love what you are doing, fixing the country from your side by putting things in order. But sir, arresting men of God because they prophesied or speak the mind of God will can make you the enemy of God. A soft one say IGP chichicha soft one at the Adiana. Obey Yankopon enemy. Mamen to aso. Or say ask Pharaoh, ask Ahab, ask Jezebel, ask Herod and his generation, to mention but few. Say, I'm not against what you are doing, but this is very risky to attack the prophetic ministry. Say, this thing is wrong too. Say, the problem of this nation is not the man of God or Christianity. Say, I don't know. I say, sit up right, say. You are now telling God to bring you proofs or a question mark. Mr. IGP, damn parry. So for the near the pound, baby. I say, Mr. IGP, damn parry. What proofs does God owe you? Say, I'm not supporting some art and behavior of some of the prophets, but say you can't judge them through. You can't judge them through that. It might be how God called them. How am I to judge another man's servant? Say, stop this before it's too late. Nobody have ever attacked prophets or men of God and go scot-free. Putting them in cell because they prophesy is totally wrong. Say, to be continued. Eti asama osofo ne person kan kire dan pare dan pi. Sisi a dia ubodi di na one sorry to cha basa. 2 days e pa ni ahwehwe. Ya ma so 7 days we hu say yes. And that's what this osofo ne kan. O se se dan pare debi o me pacho ma me mbodi ni. The IGP, Inspector General of Police, Mr. Dr. Kanwon, Mr. Dr. Dampare Dampi, also Prophet Sugro Prosper say when I asofo na which show mo na when yanko pontanfo na me be dwa bruta we bompire na mintie ana wankan eni dem na me dey aka da bi makabi aka ho enti no ni nya fo bufo ne kono so makabi aka ho ba fa kono so also bompire na mintie jaja ya the cry na say too late obi ani won ma wa chi asofo ana nyame ni po eguma wa scot free nyame ni wo be di tampare we asofo na kan mi di bia kan pese ye ko chiri sisi a away from Dampi Men pass them away from Dampi. But what cram sorry, a jamwa ba. Your friend say. Men pass them Professor Dampi ni. Maybe nyazem. Also for na kind na me ready and me church we na me kan we kan ho. Prophet den one na me kan yo. Ba me church na me di me twi ni bi ke kan wa. Na be Dampi ti akwa no ho be na hintem. Na so for no kra saw anti krom ha o. Oni Ghana. I know to ayampian femo no. Obi so ya bema ya omra kotoka. No meka. Anti prophet so grow prosper. And conforsa we ya bema. Bra kotoka sisi ya de bejira kotoka eni mu anaka. Hey Dampi. Obo pa ya na midie. Ho na be wu. So obetimi asa ko baka. Sisi dia u kasa wa studio. Yes adia. Sisi akra matese. Dampi be start at chichichi boys bia. Ama promise you my girlfriend aware 2-3 years in aware ne maso. Untumi promise you be baba asa akake. E ba choose sisi ya. Etina Ella run the ring you know. Ella promise Eddie saying. Eddie saying.
Yeah, I'm promising
you. You were free. You were free, guys. I was there. I know my check. Hey, and I'm gonna come. Man, can be IGP cancer. IGP and can't check ourselves. IGP and can't check ourselves. Yo. I hope I some mini moche. Man, can be. Making kind messages, Kakra. This one says from Kwesi Nanteji Achem Asane Ejinamwa Oba is called I say Akoroso Cats. And I yes AKORO Sakroso. And Akroso ye AKR. We AKORO into Akoroso. What's it?
Akoroso de.
Akoroso cats. Ejamwa badi ni Akoroso cats.
Ebia Akoroso ejamwa no.
Nante G entina. GFL for no wa asemo no. Entina. FIFA for kra se nkola abo kentes wo kra mentwemu ho no. Wudi me jamwa badi.
Na se Chaskele kura
ya say ma ohun se nkofo bo chaskele kura ontwem. Four corners kura ontwem. Okwa asore dem kura na ekofi ni ama kura ojire chire ho ana watu ni sika na tu. Antomu so problem. Nanteji. Woni me jamwa badi.
Na kwa bile jamwa ba ye friend say.
Mama kan messages ni wi answer.
I bin.
Nkofo success say Wakoya research upon Waba. I say a female cat is called a female cat is a queen, Molly, but some also call it a spear. Wakoya research about. But I no cry no. Written research the ground with team because I was all children. Hey, Baba. Alright, so princess, a female cat is called a catwa. Aquano uncle school. Prince, no problem. Mamma can't have any you remember how. Hey, Baba. Hey, Amos from Takrasi. I say it is called a she cat. Hi, Kobe. Yes. Oh wow, my own little Benson. I see a female cat is called a queen. A female cat is called Pussycat because it has a. Oh, there we can't read this on here. I'm Akosia Hygiene. From Akemodan, Kobna. I'm a filmmaker artist called A Queen. Hey, it's Muni Majamwa Badi. Muni Majamwa Badi. More car crane, me banama can't see me at them. Rejoice Fiabim says, I heard a female cat is called A Queen. On the sort the someone was a queen in your that can't so much. Success or quite research about story their hope. And the Pamian come for 2 and I said 3 course. And I mean, Musa, a Jamwaba, you can't say, and I see a friend is saying, a Jamwaba 0554820910. 0554820910 and 0201944485. Jamwamba. All back can she queen. If you show fear pan, you bet children come out, she has a soldiers for no Uber. Make up Bochibe 16 no more jaw. On the summer, a lot of friends know what before. And I ever can't move near the Waba. 0554820910. 0554820910 0201944485. Ejamwaba. Right, your frost and like a friend. Yes, dear, your frost like a friend. Salo? Adam Pentecost, me Judy, Ejamwaba, I can't sing. Your friend is saying. Obi aso ya de emponi. Cat woman. Hey. Why like you pan see who number and can pick the match as soldiers for this is here. What's a cat woman? Ha, Salome. I saw mommy got Ginny school fees pa. I be for go better for remember the punch. And the pass away who and they was a GM do let them out. 0554820910. Adeba.
Yeah.
What's your Akosia de Padumas?
Kwabna Costi.
Akosia de Papa Dumas.
Kwabna Costi.
Benkwama Akosia Dumas.
Kwabna Costi efo gbotogbe.
Asamaba. Lele. DJ Brick. Your first work as a free. Elliot. Now today. It's on catch up on. So when you send your my boys about tackle or shop when and Uber. You can't say. A friend Molly. Right. Molly. Right, thank you. After me for go be but the
yeah.
Jamal by your friend say.
Guy no fair last no wecha.
Ocha. Was me now for your guy.
Oh, madam for.
Yeah, madam for. Now listen. More can say Jamal bad in the crane on. Muntin you. But a Jamal bar on yum and a Jamal bar wow. A Jamal bar all man in ready for near the and your friend the queen. But the Jamal bar kasa din at the molly. Ella, you get me? This is now. It's we know this is here.
I don't know what I say.
Oh, see a queen. Rejoice so if you are beam, I see a question.
Also, no what say.
Also, what to say?
You want to say that?
Oh, because I see she cats. You say. Obisa cat wa. Makai school. Sa wa the Makai school. At the point you why am twom na SS ni bebre na ya mo de wale ana.
Oh, enyo mu nyina. Hey, but a bit me the worry.
She Costi wa. Hey, nitinya ya de kra.
Ayi. Raskini wa.
Wa she. Raskini wa. E chese on wale wo kra. Raskini wa kra di on wale kra.
The wa no kra na
Costi wa ni she Costi for the kra.
Costi no ne ho.
Ya wale o
na Raskini wa.
Raskini wa. O si tia wa ya sama ba.
Point chili, point volley, two calling now the shots. Slack.
I go say na sofo na sem no kan che dampi ni wati.
Asiden.
O say dampi enjay asofo no so beche chiom na. Obeye Nyankopon biggest enemy. Obom pa ya nya mintie masa kan biem. Oni na ya adwen.
Sofo na owa yi na. Akwabena.
Oi.
Sofo no krobenso.
Oni Ghana.
Ena me bi sase sofo no wo watra bosompo na.
Ya.
Ka me bo pa ese nko ntena kromu he ya. Na won kasa asem no. Won. Kayo. Itri nkwasa watra akokasa asem no. Ayade.
O kroma de anka mamfa.
O kroma de anka. Nka. Na udim se Ghana fo bi sase no watra se. Dampare. Osi wa be kutatu abontin bia wan kwaje permission bia no wa be kutatu abontin no. Awa se wo mo chew na emra no eni wudi. Na Ghana fo bi sasa ya santoa statue na esi wo na okura tu no. Dampare wo so kwache no.
Ya santoa. Na ya santoa kutatu na dampare nkazi yan wo no.
Se sa atam no nkofo na mafo twetwe etuo wo social media na ade no. Sana IGP wo kofo bebre wo so sana yen chada nchi o. They say dampare abantu o mo chese ya santo aso the state one is one dampare nkwache no.
Dampare na me chese ya santo twetu no na ngasa ka yen wo no.
They say mo say dabio na state esi one dampare nkwache ya santo state.
Ya so. You kroma de.
You kroma.
Bibia BTV. Na patapa sikawe na patapa ngana zaro.
Yes ka.
Na se patapa address mpa.
Sao.
Na ngofo ka se.
Into address nti.
Onu wife.
Sa.
Onu wife. Aya na buki kasa se na munjai kan se. Na den wonim se sika kan se an offer ye discount.
Awon
fe
bi wo ho ati o.
Awon fe nyina ye discount.
Me ba o. Awon fe bi wo ho a. Wo di sika to a eyeye kwabra. Di se mi amisi yi. Na menya sika. Ube huma fere.
Da senti na me say awon fe nyina.
Ba awon fe bi so on ma ye ne den apetampe. Wo ye ne den. On sesa. We send wo di afasika dan ma be sesa no.
Okay, me on. Me hu obi me kasa no one time but me hu obi na nkofo bebre na kasa de wonya fanya de yes but obenye sika no aba
se obi wo sa obi so on ma da bi da wonya sika kra boa de ota na ote
na me kai back in school primary hall baby once I na tired e ma esrew ukuni esa na wodwa pa o sa de teacher na oba nye guys na de pa girl bia na mo de esrew minimum ka meji o Brother Nyakomo. And this na governor am say, what became am say I will report you. What because me give you make a report to headmaster. We dem report to.
No but say.
Me pesa dey the gra. Nka na me so me I one girl be wo. O say o share Dex in here. Okay, so yeah hon after every class test be ya share nkunya according to opposition. Enti good, better, best on say no. Let's say the classroom ya share nkunya 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, your course site on row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Site 4.
Yes, into row 1, row 2, sana, yes, no. 18 no. On one more first row no so no. From first to 10th. It's and
I've been for no my yard no.
Yes, it's no everyone my yana 3 3 days. I say yeah, no 4. Yes. Now, not only one girl, we're funny Vivian. Ayamba. Yen 2 no 8th and 7th. So I remember what 7th these class tests. And yet them like class tests.
Okay.
The following class tests.
About us way.
Yeah.
Yet
the same desk so by some position.
Mudi.
What I say? What's the first and second? The first no shama second tia. Third also shama fourth sir. To me Vivian there. Yeah, the same desk but yes some position ni keke. That's what buy no this class test. Na me basa. Na na obi wa echi.
E ho no nya botre ma bi so asem. Ti se wo tro class test a. Uye omo ye say ni bi na say wo de o ti wo say na o tro.
Oh me nkata me work so.
Yeah be. For why you free wo mo po bi dia.
Me pe do ti ba ni no kra wi.
Ai me nkata me work. Do ti we ni wo pe do ti we ti no kra wi.
Da bi do ti we chi ni enye. Me na mpe wo mani. Na na ga wo ma chi. Adepa. Oh fine.
Na ye.
Come up. Oh no na me person ka class for the case. Me yele ye.
No.
I'm so mon card ye. Ada ba ku bi ono she 28 ho baby.
Zongo lane for no.
And I'm with na.
The open bia.
Who in the picture? We see Jesus. Afeda mi po. And I'm sure that sure too. Your platform ba ku mze. Me need a number. Ti obi sure that who come in the number na.
So we dey kankan we dey say gentia. We be ka sesa.
And I'm sure that catch obi wo. Me sure that DM me obi private search ale. For conversation got two group them say. Oh, my kind those days. Me pass me lady need. Those days, come nani ladies.
As we senior dey.
Na kasas pack conversation ba go kon so nya da. Ma kan na me can be also nya.
Me krom jama ka se mane nye. Me ka se mane nye.
It is see as I say akwala bi ma ka be me de pa.
Ka no na pe.
Okay.
E fa ne serewa.
E fa serewa.
E fa ne serewa.
We ka ma me trans back so sa. Me jam ho pa.
And I won say that time no so we go school omo asabi omo ho say na nya fa nya yi no. Edu baby na se mu wie school kona wo ko hu se di omo siti akwabena be ko achi. Be ka se nyom a.
Oh, Jabi Nyankopon kasa no.
Nyankopon hu nya me sesa nipa.
Pa.
Sesa nipa pa baby no wo di abwa sika ma wo
sika to an ofe.
On shanya me anu nyam. Ebi won ma omo shanya me anu nyam.
Ada pas Nyankopon ad ma Friday. On say ka Saturdays and ka me dey artist eba me show so. But Saturday we showbiz 923 enfun because you be hinkan SHS cooking competition here. And the Friday way me dey Ekomavo eba studio a. Be person ka you be timi a ya the live band ya the machines ni nya be good studio a ya ball live band pa.
Oh, kabakwa
2 hours nya na ball live band ati ya go super preparations ni ya ade. We ball live band pa performance ni ade ade a. Akai of 5 minutes si phone na preparation ni nko.
Ma me si form na kwabena ma yanko ye